I just bought a car from Randall No, and I was very satisfied with the service I had. I loved the car. I appreciated the salesman, who was Jeff Blake, and he did a great job. He was very friendly. He knew what I wanted, and he gave me all the instructions on how to operate the car. It was pretty difficult at first, I thought, but it was a very good experience. He did a good job, and I'm very satisfied with the results, and I think I'm going to enjoy driving this car from Randall No.
Another satisfied customer at Randall No Auto Group.